these peppers are pretty fresh. It's oh yeah, it's definitely spicy. Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you Islamabad's Neapolitan pizza. Yeah, we're not in Naples clearly, but I thought this was a really kind of interesting place, just different, unexpected, and I was told it was the best pizza in the city, but also maybe the best pizza in the entire country. They cook the food the Neapolitan way. The dough is supposed to be VPN certified. They don't have a brick oven that I can see inside, but I thought it might be an interesting thing to show you. And also you can get vegetarian options. So I got the veg attack, which has a lot of veggies on top of the pizza. It's kind of nice to get something fresh, because when you eat out in Islamabad, there's not a ton of vegetable options for you. So pizza it is, and pizza is the healthy way sort of to go. So since it's pretty early in the day, it's about 2 in the afternoon, they don't have any outdoor seating yet, so most people are getting carry out and takeaway, just picking up the pizza and go. So I'm gonna order my pizza now and then get it, grab it, and go to a park nearby and then show you the rest. And this is in a pretty upscale neighborhood. There are more foreigners that I've seen here at this location than I've probably seen combined in my entire time in Pakistan in my previous trips. They are in the middle of a bunch of embassies here, so I assume a lot of people that are coming here are either ambassadors or ambassadors' family or embassy staff. So it's a pretty upscale neighborhood, and it's pretty hidden. So when you drive in, there's just a bunch of embassies and a bunch of apartments, and then you come across and there's a small shopping center here with a vet over there, and you can hear a dog that's not too happy about visiting the vet, but I'm sure it'll be okay. I'm sure it'll be okay. Pizza's here. It's a bad habit.
Bad habits, I quit. So this is the last one.
All right,
Yeah.
Fair. That's fair. Take care.
Okay,
Good luck.
Have a good day.
You too. All right, so I just got my pizza, so now I'm gonna try to walk to a nearby park. It's supposed to be about 3 minutes away to eat it, since the outdoor seating, like I said, isn't available until later today. But there's a pretty big queue out for the pizzas, so I'm expecting good things. But while I'm on my way, before I break my leg, so as I'm walking and vlogging with this big ass camera and a pizza with spices and oils on it, let me tell you more about this place. So you know I'm familiar with Neapolitan pizza. Obviously, if you've seen my Puppetella video, you know I've had the real deal. So it's gonna be tough to compare this to that, but just having these kind of places in Islamabad is interesting to me. And I think the reason is because, like I said, it's a pretty cosmopolitan city, a lot of different foods, and it's becoming a very interesting foodie scene, and a lot of food shops like in the neighborhood. So a lot of like little couple of restaurants just cluttered in a neighborhood. It's very small. You wouldn't be able to find it if you didn't know where to look. So I'll leave the address to this place down in the description box next to the like and subscribe button, so don't forget to hit those. But you can see the neighborhood here. These are pretty nice houses that are all gated with guards outside. You know, the fancy neighborhood. Just got to the park. A lot of empty benches, big open park. And that's one thing I like about this city, is that you have so many big open green spaces. Like if you want to go walk, if you want to go run, if you want to go eat pizza in the park and make a video about it, you got plenty of space to do it. And you can see that you got basil here, we've got tomatoes, broccoli, sun-dried tomato, peppers, olives, a couple more peppers, and some mushrooms there. And the dough is pretty soft and flaky, so let's give this a taste before the ants get to it. So I've got pretty high expectations, just because I've had really good Neapolitan pizza before, but also because all of you in the comments are telling me this is the best pizza in the country, perhaps. So those are high expectations. A couple of other local chefs have recommended Quatro to me, so let's see how that goes. All right, we've got also some red peppers here to put on top. Chili peppers with olive oil, it looks like, and what looks like some garlic powder as well. We'll leave those for a second in a minute, but let's go dig into this pizza. Oh, and that's soft dough. You can see that. It's really soft. You can feel it. Nice quality. Oh man, I'm excited. tomato flavor is really fresh tomato flavor. Really soft on the inside, like Neapolitan pizza should be. So toward the middle, it should be a little bit almost soggy in the middle, and the tomato sauce should have that really fine sweet taste, and it does here. I'm actually, on first bite, I'm pretty surprised. That is really good pizza. I mean, it's not just good because I had high expectations and, you know, I just want to be satisfied with the pizza, but it's actually really good. Get this slice with some basil on it. That is really good. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Impressed with the pizza. The buffalo cheese is very soft. All of the ingredients on top, the peppers, are also very soft, very fresh. You can definitely taste that. It's not just saying that, it's definitely very fresh. And if you're looking for a good vegetarian option, there you go. There's a lot of vegetables. At least more than you can usually find when you eat out in this city. They told me it would take about 8 to 10 minutes for the pizza to be ready. And it took just about that, about 8 minutes for the pizza to be ready, which is very fast. Usually Neapolitan pizza takes a little bit longer in my experience, but that was pretty quick. They've got about 3 cooks in the kitchen that are making the pizza at one time, chopping vegetables, getting the pizza prepped and getting it into the oven. And just look at that crust. Just sort of kind of flaking off. It's nice. Alright, well, I am in Pakistan, so time to spice things up. Put some chili peppers, see how hot these are. Sprinkle some of those in. Alright, I've got my chili peppers on the pizza there. See how hot this is. See if it adds a kick to it. Yeah, these are not your usual pizza spices. You know, when you go to a pizza shop, they have the red pepper out, and then you start eating the pizza, and it's not really spicy. These peppers are pretty fresh. It's oh yeah, it's definitely spicy. Definitely not your usual. Go to a pizza shop, you got some stale red chili flakes out. No, these have a kick. But I guess here, if it's not spicy, like if you can't feel it, people are gonna be unhappy. So it's a pretty different food option in Islamabad when you're eating out. Yeah, there are a lot of burgers and a lot of kebab places and a lot of places serving like red meat, going on the steakhouses, but now you've got a good pizza option as well. All right, you know what? It's about halfway done. I'm just gonna finish the pizza. I'm gonna try put some garlic on there. All right, just a little bit of garlic. Give that a shot. I think we're gonna finish the whole pizza. It might as well. All right, garlic on top of the pizza. Oh man, I don't know why I'm so excited about this pizza, but I really am. In a city like this, pizza is like a light food. This is basically a salad. This is as close as you can get to a salad in Islamabad. In terms of the cost, this entire pizza, the Veggie Delight, which is the most expensive one out of all the options, as well as water, cost you about 1150 rupees. So it's not very expensive at all. It's actually a good price. It's expensive maybe in terms of overall when you talking about Pakistan, when you're putting things in perspective, but in terms of just in general, it's not bad meal for $6. All right, so the garlic was okay. Garlic powder, always questionable choice. All right, so we got one left. We got peppers in olive oil. I think this is olive oil. Should be olive oil. Oh yeah, that's olive oil. A little bit of that. Let's go for this olive oil. Ooh, lost a couple of the toppings there. Some olive oil. That's good. Olive oil and the chilies, really nice, very flavorful. It's unexpected here to find really flavorful olive oil. I guess I'm an olive oil critic or an olive oil snob, maybe. So this passes. This is a good job. So the cheese there is buffalo mozzarella cheese, as you would expect. Got nice flavor to it. It's not the best buffalo mozzarella cheese I've had, but I think overall, when you're considering where I am at the moment, it's pretty good. They really killed it on the dough though. The dough makes all the difference, I think, and the ingredients on top are fresh. Not easy to find in the city. Overall, I'm gonna say this is. I haven't had much pizza in Islamabad, but I'm gonna say it's the best pizza I've had in Islamabad. And if you're looking for a place to eat out here, you want a vegetarian option meal that you can get that's not just rice or, you know, something that's just all carbs. Here, you have fat on this too. Quatro, they'll probably deliver to your hotel or wherever you're staying, or you can pick it up and eat at this park. I'll also leave a link to the park down in the description below. There's about a 3-minute walk. Lots of places to sort of sit and eat. Nice ambiance. You can go for a walk after and walk off all the calories, which is probably what I'm gonna do after I have this last slice. And look at that. Look at that mushroom. Look at that mushroom. Yeah, so Quatro, good place to eat, good choice, great pizza in Islamabad. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments below. And while you're down there, hit the like and subscribe buttons. I'll have new videos for you every week, and I'll see you in the next video. Tomato sauce. It's all about the tomato sauce. So the cheese is a buffalo mozzarella cheese, and it's pretty. You gotta eat the little stuff on the bottom. I mean, does everybody not do that? The city is, I don't know, kind of not what you expect. Hear about it on the news, don't usually hear good things, but when you come here and you realize, like, it just keeps surprising you. Like, there are these little outlets of things that are happening that are very unique and very different. A lot of creativity in the food, and I think with creativity in the food means there's more to the surface than you would expect here. One other thing I'll add is there are trash cans all over the park. So nice. You know, there's so many parks around the world, beautiful parks, but they don't have trash cans in them, and they wonder why people litter. Trash can, trash can, trash can. Lots of trash cans. Be easy to throw this away. Thanks again. Thanks for watching this extra bit. See you in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Enjoy the rest of your day. That's a wrap.